Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling automatic app updates on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With this setting enabled, your watch will automatically download new versions of your apps when they are available. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap App Store. Tap the toggle to the right of Automatic Updates to enable or disable the setting. When the toggle is green, automatic updates are switched on. When grey, they are switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.